Alright, for this integral we have 1 divided by x plus the square root of x dx. So pause the video now if you want to solve this problem on your own. Alright, at the start I'm going to rewrite this integral. First, notice how we can rewrite x as the square root of x times the square root of x. Then we still have plus square root of x here. Next, what we can do in the denominator is factor out the square root of x. So we have the square root of x times square root of x, so we are left with the square root of x here. And we just have square root of x here, so we just have 1. Alright, now in this current state, this problem is a simple u substitution. So we can let u equal to the square root of x. So now take a derivative, du will equal 1 divided by 2 square x dx. So now we can isolate dx and we'll just have 2 square root x du equals dx. So now we can substitute that back into our original equation. So we'll have 2 square root x over square root x times the square root of x plus 1 du. Okay, now what we can do is we can cancel out the square x in the numerator and denominator and move the 2 outside the integral. So that will just give us 2 times the integral of 1 divided by the square root of x plus 1, but notice u equals the square root of x, so this can just become u plus 1 du. And now we can just remember our this form of the integral, which is just going to be the natural log of the absolute value of u plus 1. Remember, u equals square root of x, so we can substitute that back in. And we simply have our plus c here. And remember, the square root of x is always positive, and 1 is always positive, so we can remove the absolute value, and our final answer is just going to be 2 times the natural log of the square root of x plus 1 plus c. So if you enjoyed this content, make sure to subscribe to the channel to see more calculus and math problems.